Come on. Look. There you go. There you go.
It's okay.
Jump with her, Alex. Oh, there you go. Jump with her. I know. Yeah, don't do the net, Alex.
Don't crash into that.
You just kind of... Yeah, just walk around the perimeter. Alex, you go in the center, and we chase each other. There you go. That's it.
Run, buddy, run!
You got it. You got to go faster, though.
You gotta go faster.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I get on there with you, but there's a weight limit, and I put it over.